everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today we are washing one of my all-time favorite bags, the JuJuBe Be Clutch from the Earth Leather collection. This is what it looks like. It is not your usual JuJuBe fabric. The Earth Leather collection is actually made from oxygen and silicone, so it's actually a little bit different than your usual vegan leather, which is made out of plastic. But one of my favorite things about JuJuBe bags is that they are machine washable. I'd say like 90% of them are, and that includes the Earth Leather collection. So today we are going to wash my Be Clutch. This thing has been very heavily used ever since I got it, so it could definitely use a bath. The Earth Leather washing instructions are not much different than how you would wash a normal JuJuBe bag. And if you guys need to see a tutorial for a regular JuJuBe bag, I will link that right here for you guys. And also if you want to see a review on the Be Clutch, I will link it right here for you as well. So JuJuBe does offer some other styles as well of the Earth Leather bags, but because I have my Be Clutch here and it's been so heavily used, I really wanted to wash it today. Oh my gosh, I actually just found a Milky Way wrapper in there. So that is probably going to be your very first step, is to go through your bag, make sure that you do not have any trash or tissues. You really don't want tissues to go through the laundry. So that's step one. So let's go ahead and see what all you need to wash your bag. So here are the items that you're going to need to wash your bag. The very first thing that I like to have on hand is an OxiClean Stain Fighter spray. I like to use the Maxforce one, but you can use the regular one as well. This one just, I don't know, seems to work a lot better for me. So if you have a dirty stain on the inside of your bag, you're gonna wanna pre-treat it with this. And then you would want to use a toothbrush, so make sure you have one of these to scrub any of the stains in there. You can also use this to scrub any stains that are on the outside of your bag. And you may want to wipe down your bag first before you put it in the laundry, because if you're like me, you're gonna wanna flip the bag inside out and make sure that you have your lining extra clean, because that is the thing that's really getting dirty in this bag. You're also going to want a good detergent. You may not like to use OxiClean. I love OxiClean. You can use any kind of detergent you want. This is just my favorite. I love the way it smells. And the last thing you're going to need are some mesh laundry bags. So I will link all of these things down below for you guys. You can use a pillowcase if you don't have one of these on hand, but these really just let the suds and things penetrate your bag and the fabric a lot easier and better. So I highly recommend you use these. And like I said, I will link these down below for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So to start, we're just going to go ahead and prep our washer. I'm going to put it on a delicate cycle. I'm going to hit the quick load because this is such a small bag. I don't need to do a ton of water. Then I'm going to do an extra rinse on this load because I don't like to have residual soap and things. So the first thing you're going to want to do before you get started is to look all over the outside of your bag to see if there's any stains or anything you need to wipe away right away. This will come out nice and clean whether you do or not do that, but it's good to get rid of the bad stuff first. Next, I'm going to take off all the outside clips and things because that's going to be in a separate bag for washing. For this video, I am turning this bag fully inside out. You may not be able to do that with other style bags from this collection, but this one actually is pretty easy to put inside out, and it actually comes out so nice and clean. I can't wait to show you guys how that looks when it's all done. Now that my bag is completely inside out, we're going to take a quick look around and see if there's any stains or anything that needs pre-treating before I put this into the laundry. The very bottom of the bag there was just a little bit dirty. I'm just double checking that all of my pockets are empty. I really don't want a lipstick or anything to go through the laundry with this bag. Now, even though I didn't have any stains on this bag, I did want to show you guys how to pre-treat. Grab your spray, spray the stain, super easy. Grab your toothbrush, because this is going to be your scrubber, and you're going to gently do circular motions to get that stain out. And I swear by the Maxforce spray, that stuff works so good at getting things out, so I highly recommend you guys get that. Get a good toothbrush too, because you want something with good bristles to scrub. But it's as simple as that. Now we are ready to get started on washing our bag. Take your bag and put it inside of one of your lingerie bags or laundry bag, and you're going to zip it closed. Putting your JuJuBe bag inside of a laundry bag is just a great way to make sure that your bag does not get snagged or stuck on something inside of your washer. The next thing you're going to do is take your straps, whether you have a backpack or the Be Clutch or something, you're going to want to wash your straps separately. That way they don't bang into your bag and they can just have their own little safe place to get washed. Open your washer lid and just drop your bags and your straps into the bottom of the machine. Because I'm doing such a small load, I'm only adding a very small amount of detergent. And as I mentioned, I like to use the OxiClean. It just smells amazing and it has great stain fighting ability. I love it. So add a little bit of that. And if you do have some heavier stains, you're going to want to add the OxiClean stain fighting liquid as well. Just a little bit of that. Close it all up, close the lid, and press start. Now that our bags are completely clean, let's go ahead and pull them out of the washer. As I'm pulling everything out, I'm inspecting it, making sure everything got cleaned properly. So far, so good. Everything looks great. A little extra step that I like to do when I wash my JuJuBe bags is to grab a little hand towel and dry off the outside and the inside of the bag just to help the drying process go a little bit faster. Now that the hard part's out of the way, here comes the easy part. Hang up your things. Forget them for the next 24 hours while they dry. And that's it. Now you have a perfectly clean JuJuBe bag. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching!